Hi, Zevi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Emma. Hi.
Hi.
Amy. Amy.
Are you eating melon
Amy.
and watching Elmo before bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, two of your favorite things. Elmo and eating fruit.
Yeah. I'm done.
You're all right. After you were all done cleaning up, then you got the fruit and Elmo. Okay, you want to wave bye?
No.
Okay. Can you give a big smile? Your biggest smile? Whoa, that was so big. Okay, blow a kiss. Love you.